Okay, everyone, let's check in with Kat. She earned her bachelor's at UAlbany, and now she's a graduate student here in public health. Kat's goal in life is to help people with their physical and mental health. She's already making an impact right here on campus and in the community. Go ahead, Kat, tell us all about it.
Thanks for the intro, Alex. Hey, everyone. As a Caribbean American growing up in New York City, I saw diabetes and high blood pressure all around me and thought these conditions were normal. Later, I realized these conditions weren't healthy. That inspired me to pursue a Master of Public Health at the University at Albany to help my community live longer, healthier lives. At UAlbany, I started as a human biology major, taking biology and chemistry courses as an undergrad before discovering public health. I also served as a peer wellness ambassador with Middle Earth, a student-run peer support service that offers free confidential assistance to students. We're trained by mental health professionals, and we support our peers with common challenges like stress, anxiety, relationship, and academics. I also delivered educational programs on mental health, alcohol, and drug education, and I worked as a biology and statistics tutor for the Collegiate Science and Technology Entry Program, which supports underrepresented students pursuing STEM careers. These experiences deepened my commitment to health equity and inspired me to be a student in the Master of Public Health program. The MPH program at UAlbany requires 720 internship hours. I've interned with the New York City Department of Health and a research organization called WestStat in Maryland. With my focus in epidemiology and maternal and child health, I use data, statistical software, and evidence-based research to promote health equity in vulnerable communities. UAlbany has shaped my growth as a future leader. I've found incredible opportunities, experiences, and support here that have inspired me to pursue a Doctor of Public Health in the future. Whatever your interests are, you'll find the opportunities here to thrive. UAlbany has truly set me on my path to greatness. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my story, Alex. Back to you.
What a great story, Kat. Your dedication to making a difference shines through. And we love hearing about the many ways you've been able to pursue your passions at the University at Albany. You're certainly on your way to doing great things. Thanks again, Kat.